So today we will start coordinate geometry. As you have already done in your previous classes that this is a number line. At the center 0 is there, here 1, 2, 3 positive numbers are there on right side and so on. That means this is a x-axis. X positive values are there on right side, on left side negative values are there. You have to start from 0. If this we have convert into two variable, that means x-axis and y-axis. At the upper portion or upward, you can see that positive values are there, and below, just below the x-axis, horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. And where these lines meet each other, this is called origin. Okay, coordinate of origins are 0, 0. X-axis value is 0 and y-axis value is 0. Okay, if you start from here, suppose our two values are given, that means 3 and 5. You start from first value, we have to plot on x-axis, and second value we have to plot on y-axis. So start from here, 1, 2, 3, then upward 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is plotting of the point 3 and 5, value of 3 on x-axis, value of 5 on y-axis. This is called first quadrant. You can see that both these values are of positive, and on this is second quadrant. First value is of negative, then positive. Suppose the same value, minus 3 and 5, minus 3 and 5. You can see that here will be the value. So that means second quadrant. First value is of negative, second value is of positive. Then first value negative, minus 3, minus 5. You can see that. First value minus 3 on x-axis, minus 3, then on y-axis. This is third quadrant, and in third quadrant you can see that both values are negative. If first value is positive and second value is negative, that means it is fourth quadrant. So these four quadrants are there. This is called Cartesian plane. Value of x-axis is also called abscissa. Value of y-axis is also called ordinate. Okay, and in which quadrant the point lie, you will do exercise 3.1 and 3.2. But in case, suppose the point is there 5 and 0, 5 then 0, that means point is here, that means this point lies on x-axis. If 0, 5 is there, that means point is first value is 0 here only, then on upward 0, 5 lie on y-axis. Okay? Whenever 0, 5, 5, 0, 3, 0, 0, 3, these type of values are there, you have to write these points not in quadrant on x-axis or y-axis. So from this we can conclude that on x-axis y equal to 0, you can see that. On y-axis x equal to 0. Okay, so you can just see that. Suppose a point is there 5, 0. 5, 0. At what distance this point from y-axis? 5 units. Suppose this point is there minus 5 and 0. This point from y-axis is of at a distance of 5 units, not minus 5, 5 units. Suppose this point is there. This point from y-axis is of 3 units. This point from x-axis is of 5 units. Okay. So this is the coordinate geometry basic. So you have to do exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Okay. Thank you.